This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Wonderful neighborhood. Community pool and playground. House backs up to wooded preserve which provides privacy and a great vista. Very open floor plan gives flexible use of the space. Kitchen fully equipped with refrigerator, dishwasher, glass top range/oven, built-in microwave, large pantry, breakfast bar and eat-in area. Inside laundry room. Master bathroom features garden tub and separate shower. Screened patio. 2-car garage. Owner prefers no pets. Lawn care included. Carpet in bedrooms, porcelain tile everywhere else. Note: owners are not replacing carpets or painting interior during this vacancy, so home is offered as is at a below current market price. For more info or to see this home, call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.